How to unlock iPhone from any carrier. Let's get started. Solution 1. Understand carrier lock status. Before processing, determine your iPhone is locked. Check in settings. Navigate to settings. Click on General. Head towards the option of About. Scroll to Carrier Lock. If it reads No SIM restrictions, your iPhone is already unlocked. Solution 2. Contact your carrier. If your iPhone is locked, the primary method to unlock it is through your carrier. Ensure your iPhone is fully paid off. Your account should be in good standing. Some carriers may require the device to be active on the network for a certain period. Contact your carrier's customer support to request an unlock. After approval, they will guide you through the unlocking steps. If contacting the carrier is not an option, third party services can assist. Services like Official iPhone Unlock and Unlock Boot offering unlocking solutions. Ensure the service is reputable to avoid scams. Be aware of potential costs and risks involved. Solution 3. Utilize hardware unlock tools. SIM adapters. Devices like UBSIM are designed to unlock iPhones from any carrier. Insert the SIM adapter along with your SIM card into the phone. Follow the provided instructions to complete the unlock. Solution 4. Unlocking via software tools. Applications like Any Unlock, iPhone Password Unlocker can unlock SIM locks. Download and install the software on a computer. Connect your iPhone and follow the on screen instructions to unlock. By following these steps, you can unlock your iPhone and enjoy the freedom to choose any carrier that suits your needs. If this tutorial was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.